Hello everyone, it's Carolyn and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. I am so excited to finally be able to announce to you all that this week I am doing Clean Week here on my channel. So I am going to be posting 5 brand new cleaning motivation videos Monday through Friday. And what makes this even more exciting is this is a week-long collab with my friend and fellow YouTube mama, Heather McCarthy. So if you aren't familiar with her, Heather is a stay-at-home mom to an adorable little girl, Madison. She is also a military wife and their family is currently stationed in Jacksonville, Florida. Heather has become the new cleaning queen of YouTube. Seriously guys, she posts 2 awesome and motivational cleaning videos every single week, and she even manages to post a 3rd lifestyle video on top of that. She does everything from talking about being a military spouse to meal planning, crafts, DIYs, shopping hauls. Seriously, she does it all. So she and I are going to be collaborating all week long, so you are going to get double the cleaning motivation, which is just awesome. And seriously, we have been brainstorming since June about this. So we aren't just going to be posting your typical clean with me's. We have some really creative content that I am so excited for you guys to see. So Heather's channel will be linked in the description box all week long, of course, and to make things really easy, every day when the videos go live, we are going to be adding them to a playlist so that you can easily access them. So to kick things off today, we thought we would do something really fun, and on both of our channels, we are going to be doing Dollar Tree Clean With Me's. So what that means is we are both headed to the Dollar Tree. We are going to be buying all of our cleaning products there and cleaning our house using only those items. So here's everything that I got, and I was sort of disappointed with the selection. My Dollar Tree is the worst. I never find anything that other people get there. They just don't have a great selection. But here is what I got. I got this Bang bathroom and shower cleaner. I got this. I've never tried something like this before. It is a carpet and room deodorizer. So you sprinkle it on your carpet and then vacuum it up. I got this. This seemed interesting. It's a foaming glass cleaner. So we'll give this a try. I'm actually out of glass cleaner, so I hope that this works good because I don't really have a backup. I already used this. I got this 8-pack of kind of like abrasive, not too abrasive, but scrubby sponges. I got this toilet bowl cleaner, a set of 3 dusters. These are way cheaper than the Swiffer ones that I usually get. This isn't really for cleaning, but I got this car deodorizer. Then I got 2 packs of these microfiber cleaning cloths. So they each have 4 in them. So just a couple different colors. And then, seriously guys, I tried, but they did not have an all-purpose cleaner, like a multi-purpose spray. So I'm going to be using my Home and Planet coconut water and mimosa multi-service spray. I got this at Target. I'm sorry, they honestly did not have one. I told you, my Dollar Tree just does not have a good selection. So this is the only cheat that I'm going to be using today. Okay, so I am starting out in the kitchen because even though I cleaned it the night before, it looks like a freaking bomb went off here. And I'm really anxious to get the house clean today for 2 reasons. One is we are going away for a long weekend, and I really want to come back to a nice clean house. And the second and more pressing reason is my husband is having a bunch of his coworkers over for lunch. So I really have to hustle and at least get the main living areas picked up. So after I clean off the counters, I'm just wiping down my stovetop. It is always a mess because I do love to cook. Another all-star product is this foaming glass cleaner. Seriously, this left my windows completely streak-free. It also worked amazing on my stainless steel appliances. If you have stainless steel, you know the struggle to find a product that can clean off all those fingerprints that our kids leave. Okay, now on to tackle the dishes. I mean, how many dishes can one family create from just breakfast? So I'm just throwing them all in the sink and trying to clear off this island. So I'm just putting everything in the dishwasher that I possibly can before I wash the rest of the dishes by hand. So I definitely forgot to consider getting dish soap from the Dollar Tree. So this is not Dollar Tree dish soap, FYI, but I am using one of those Dollar Tree scrubbing sponges to do the dishes, and it worked really well. I'm also using that same sponge to give my sink a really good scrubbing. All right, now on to finish the island. I mean, this island is just a magnet for junk and crap. I'm just trying to clear everything off so I can give it a good wipe down. And by the way, so far I am in love with these microfiber cloths that I got at the Dollar Tree. I usually buy my microfiber cloths at Bed Bath & Beyond, and they are way more expensive. So I am so happy that I found a more inexpensive alternative that works amazing. Okay, so I'm moving on to my living room now that the kitchen is finally picked up. I am just trying to pick up all these toys. I'm getting my son Jake in on the process to give me a hand, and we'll get everything picked up so that I can vacuum. So here I am sprinkling that carpet deodorizer. I've never used anything like this before, but all I had to do was sprinkle it all over the carpet and let it sit for like 5 minutes or so, and then just vacuum it all up. And this really worked good. My room smelled so fresh, and it was a Hawaiian scent, so it just felt super summery in there when I was all done. The last part of the main level I have to pick up is just tidying up my entryway, just putting away any shoes there, and then just going through all the bags that we had laying around and just putting everything back to where it belongs. Okay, next I'm moving down into our lower level, and this is where our guest room and guest bathroom are. So I'm just tidying up the bed because my kids love jumping on it and it just makes it a little messy. Now this is the bathroom that our guests are going to be using, so I definitely have to wipe it all down. I'm happy to report that the foaming glass spray worked really well on the mirror, and the bathroom spray cleaned the sink and toilet really well. I'm using one of those scrubbers to really get the sink nice and clean. Now, so far the only product that I am not absolutely loving is the toilet bowl cleaner. Even though it had a really nice smell, it was super watery. I just think that some of the more expensive brands do a better job. So here I'm moving on to my kids' bathroom, and I did want to give the upstairs some attention just in case my husband wanted to give any of his coworkers like a tour of our house. I mean, you just never know what he's gonna do. So I'm using that same foaming glass cleaner on the mirrors and this glass shelf before I tackle the rest of the bathroom. So I'm using that same bathroom cleaner for the sink and the toilet, and yes, it does a good job. It's nothing special, but if you are on a budget and you need a good bathroom cleaner, then I would definitely suggest giving it a try. I'm giving this toilet bowl cleaner another go, and it's still super watery. I mean, I just don't love it, so I'll probably stick to one of the ones that I have used before. So now I'm moving into my kids' rooms, and I'm gonna start with my daughter's. I'm using that same foaming glass cleaner on her mirror. I'm pretty sure I used it on every surface of my house that I possibly could because I do love it so much. And I'm just doing a quick wipe down of the rest of her room, just all the surfaces, nothing crazy, just wiping everything down.
And I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah.
I'm gonna use that same carpet deodorizer in both of their rooms, just sprinkling it on and then vacuuming it up after a couple minutes. And I couldn't resist throwing in this clip of one of my little helpers.
I can feel it when you're miles away, yeah. You can make it shine when the whole world rains. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are long and the nights are late, and I've been craving you since.
So I'm just going to repeat the process in my son's room of doing the carpet deodorizer, vacuuming it up, wiping everything down, and then I'll just organize his books and make his bed too.
No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah.
Alright, I left my bathroom a total mess after I got ready that morning, so I'm just putting everything where it actually belongs, and then I'll wipe down my mirrors, of course, and then give the countertops and the sinks a good scrubbing.
Make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. I could be who you want, 'cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I'd love just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on my side of the bed though, weeks of gone, can't let go.
So I'm totally running out of time, so I am really going to be hustling here. I'm just going to make my bed as quickly as I can and then try and tidy up the rest of the room.
When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't.
So here I'm going to use that dollar store duster. This came in a pack of 3, so it is such a good deal because I think that this works just as good as the Swiffer brand, so I am totally going to be switching over to this for the future.
When you call my name.
Anyway, it was really getting late and I was really running out of time. So I'm just throwing all the crap in the corner into this laundry basket, stuffing it in my closet and closing the door. I'm sure many of you can relate to that.
It got me naked. All I hear is an echo. Turn the words of say to ammo. Sleeping on the side of the bed though. Weeks of gone, can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name. Make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy. Cause I can't escape when you call my name.
And here's just one more little clip of my daughter helping me with the dusting. I thought it was so cute, I had to throw it in. Alright, so that is the end of the very first video of Clean Week. I really hope that you enjoyed it and it gave you some awesome cleaning motivation today. Please leave me a comment at the bottom letting me know if you use any cleaning products from Dollar Tree, which ones are your favorite, and I will try and get my hands on them. Don't forget to head over to Heather's channel. She is going to be linked in the description box, and follow along with both of us all week, Monday through Friday, for Clean Week cleaning motivation every single day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!